Imagine walking through a rainforest at night. You hear tiny frogs calling from the trees. You shine your flashlight onto a leaf. And suddenly you see something unbelievable. A tiny green frog whose body is so transparent that you can actually see its heart beating. Sounds impossible. But this remarkable creature is real. Meet the glass frog, one of the most extraordinary amphibians on Earth. Today, we'll discover how this tiny frog became one of nature's greatest masters of invisibility. Glass frogs are a family of more than 150 species found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Most are only 2 to 7 centimeters long. From above, they look like ordinary bright green tree frogs. But flip one over, and everything changes. Their undersides are so transparent that you can often see their heart, liver, digestive system, and other internal organs through the skin. It's almost like looking through a living window. For years, scientists wondered why these frogs evolved such unusual skin. The answer turned out to be even more fascinating than anyone expected. Glass frogs spend much of the day sleeping on green leaves. If their blood circulated normally, the red color would make them easier for predators like birds and snakes to spot. Researchers discovered that while sleeping, these frogs temporarily store almost 90% of their red blood cells inside their liver. With far fewer red blood cells flowing through the rest of the body, they become dramatically more transparent and blend almost perfectly into the leaves around them. It's camouflage unlike almost anything else in the animal kingdom. Glass frogs are mostly active at night. They hunt tiny insects using their sticky tongues and spend their days resting motionless on leaves above streams. These streams are important because that's where the next generation begins. Female glass frogs lay clusters of eggs on leaves hanging over moving water. At first glance, these eggs seem completely unprotected. But that's where the father steps in. Unlike many frogs, male glass frogs are incredibly devoted parents. After the female leaves, the father stays behind to guard the eggs. He keeps them moist, protects them from insects, and chases away predators whenever possible. When the tadpoles are finally ready to hatch, they simply drop off the leaf into the stream below, where they continue growing underwater. For such a tiny frog, it's an impressive level of parental care. Unfortunately, many glass frog species face serious threats. Deforestation is destroying the rainforests they depend on. Polluted streams make it harder for tadpoles to survive. Climate change is also affecting the cool, humid environments these frogs need. Scientists continue to discover new species of glass frogs, but many are already vulnerable or endangered. Protecting rainforests doesn't just save trees, it helps preserve some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. The glass frog reminds us that nature still holds countless surprises. A frog with transparent skin. A heart visible through its body. A camouflage strategy that involves hiding most of its own blood. Sounds like science fiction. Yet it's quietly happening every night in the rainforests of Central and South America. Nature has millions of secrets. And tomorrow we'll uncover another one.